What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute, but back with some super exciting news. Just like the title of this video says, I am giving away my 110. Now this sweepstakes will be live for the next 4 weeks, so you have until February 24th to enter. And the way that I'm doing this is every $5 spent on my website gets you one raffle ticket. So every $5, one raffle ticket. For details, I'll put the link in the bio so you guys can read up on it. But super excited to do this. This was a build that was super fun to do. A lot of you guys enjoyed it, and I know I get a lot of comments with more 110 content, and I don't know, if this isn't more 110 content, then I don't know what is. So excited for one of you guys to walk away with this thing in 4 weeks, and hopefully you guys are stoked too, because this thing's in a little bit of rough shape. So over the next 4 weeks, I'm gonna be completely redoing this thing. It's definitely got some wear and tear, so I need to clean it up. And we took it to Pismo not too long ago. My bike! Got a little rusty to the beach that we were camped on, so I got some bolts to replace, a chain to replace, as well as some graphics. I got some SKDA graphics to go on this thing that will match the 450 setup. So this thing will be looking really, really clean by the time it's delivered to its new owner. I've been a little radio silent on YouTube over the last few months, just kind of plotting for the new year and you know, new content and new ideas to post on here because I know you guys really enjoy it. And one of the main things that I talk to you guys about, whether it's a subscriber, follower, or just a fan at the races, is the build. That's what everybody loves, that's what everybody wants to see. And I don't know, it feels weird that I get to build bikes. Obviously I'm giving you guys ideas for your own bikes, but at the same time I want to be able to give back and allow you guys the opportunity to win the bikes. So from now on, most of the bikes that I'm going to build will eventually become giveaway bikes and entered in a sweepstakes just like this one. Some will be personal, but majority of them I'm hoping to give to one of you guys. And we're gonna start with this one. I love this bike. It's been super fun. Taking it to Utah. Done a bunch of trips with it and kind of brought you guys along with that. But now I'm excited to give it to one of you guys and allow you guys the opportunity to win it. I've also uploaded some new merch to the website. I'm hoping to do one more drop by the time we give this thing away. Also, there's gonna be 2 more prizes. So first place will be this 110. Second place will be a Troy Designs helmet to give to one of you guys, and then a 100% goggle care package will be awarded to third. So hopefully you guys are excited as I am about this. Really excited to give this to one of you guys, as well as the helmet and the goggle care package. I gotta say thank you to Troy Designs, SKDA, and 100% for being involved with this. And I just wanna say good luck to you guys, and we will see you in the next one when we start refreshing this thing before we give it to its new owner. See you guys.
Aside from my soul.